Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses. Welcome to another video. To anybody that's new here, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the bell to be notified. Make sure you click on all, and that way you'll get all the live chats that I do, all the videos that I do, and that's it. And if you've been coming here for a long time and you haven't already subscribed, don't know what you're waiting for, but go ahead. We have a second for you to do so. Okay, the topic is, why do I call my hair dreadlocks? People have came on my pages many times, not really watched my videos or anything, and have mentioned that, I shouldn't use the word dreadlocks because it's a bad word and blah, 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 blah. Well, I wouldn't sit back and call myself something if I didn't have a little bit of history about it. That's just like having tattoos and stuff. I wouldn't have my body all tatted up with stuff and I don't know the meaning of anything that's on my body. And I mean, I have a lot of tattoos. So, obviously I do, research on whatever it is that I'm doing to myself or for myself, and especially since I'm evolving. If you look at any of my videos from the very beginning, I have always said dreads. I've always said dreadlocks. I've never said locks. I started adding locks in later on just to be really cordial to everyone, but I put natural hair in, and now as you can see, I put Natty's dreadlocks, Natty dreadlocks, locks and natural hair on like my live chats. It's funny how people can sit back and listen to, and I have some notes here because I want to make sure that I'm getting everything in, because I'm not going to do a long video. It's raining out here, my favorite element. I love the rain. So I hope you all are enjoying the tropical environment. But anyway, you all can bounce to, Bob Marley singing Natty Dread, Bunny Wailer with Rasta dreadlocks, Bob, Ride Natty Dread, even Michelle and they Coachella, I'm sorry. She has one called Dreadlocks that she put out 11 years ago that is fabulous. Nobody says anything about that. You know what I mean? It started, God, it's so many places that, people had Natty dreadlocks. But I'm just going to speak on why I have, and why I call my hair that, and just some of the information that I've gathered from other people that are much older than me and much wiser. And I sit back and I listen to them and talk to them about, dreadlocks and the whole lifestyle and everything, and, how everything changes and evolves, which I've been experiencing throughout this whole journey. It was in Indonesia, ancient Babylonian, Eastern, it was an Eastern Indian custom. And then it was used by Ethiopian warriors who stopped combing their hair, protesting to the Emperor Haile Selassie came out of exile. It was never said that the hair was dreads, but the whites or whomever were fearful. They dreaded the person, not the hair. They became fearful of the person. So it's nothing about your hair. I know my hair isn't dreadful. If my hair was dreadful, you all wouldn't be coming to my channel. Obviously, I talk about my hair a lot, so you must know that I love my hair, and I don't think anything is dreadful about it. Yes, I want to be looked upon as like a warrior, because those are the people that really rock, straight, free form, everything. There were no locticians, and men were just letting their hair just grow, just do, always what I say, just letting it do what it do, and now people are sitting in chairs and they got to have their hair twisted tight and braided and all into different designs, but that's not, the route that I'm following. I'm following a whole different route, change of diet, change of the way I live, change of my surroundings. As you all know, I don't believe in negativity, especially on my channel. That's something I do not deal with. And I mean, if you hear me talking about stuff like that all the time, I don't understand, why anybody would think that I'm trying to leave anybody out, or I don't know, what I'm talking about as far as my hair, because why again would I call my hair something without even knowing what I'm talking about? I'm 16 years in. I mean, really, I knew about dreadlocks and stuff. As you know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist since 1988. For those that are new here, but I knew about it long before, I would say, before I was even in school for hair, because I always went to like reggae parties and all types of parties where Belizeans and all different types of cultures were, and everybody had dreadlocks. I mean, and some people call them Nazis, some people call them dreadlocks, but it's not the hair that was dreaded. It was the warriors. They were dreaded as a person. And so I consider, again, myself a warrior. Your hair naturally grows like this, the spiraling, for black people. A lot of people don't have that. Some people have to do all types of stuff to get their hair like ours. This is a natural thing for us. You know, oh, yeah. Back in the day, like I was talking about, it wasn't about being neat and pretty. Definitely not neat and pretty, for a man. And now more women are freeforming. I'm seeing more women on YouTube, that are freeforming and stuff. Freeform locks would basically put locticians out of business. People that are considered locticians to do your dreadlocks or your locks, I mean, that was the whole thing of being free. But a lot of people are not freeform. So, I mean, but if you are freeform, you don't have to go to anybody. You don't have to sit in a chair. Do y'all hear the rain? It sounds beautiful, doesn't it? It's feeling, oh, it's wonderful. We're supposed to go swimming today. But anyway, I'm sorry. Don't want to get off the subject. But, it's like, and then we talked about the other day, I was supposed to put this video on Saturday. I'm so sorry. Things happen. And then Sunday I had to cancel my live chat. But people reattaching, we talked about this. Their locks after cutting off their hair. It's basically like a weave, But I have heard people's answers as to why, they've done it and everything. And I'm not knocking anybody for what they do. I just wanted to know why. I don't disrespect anybody, no matter what they've done. And so please don't disrespect me because I choose to call my hair Nazi dreadlocks. Again, locks. Anybody can have locks. I mean, when it comes down to dreadlocks, especially freeform, again, most people, back in the day and even now would be looked at as, people that people are fearful of them. People are fearful, I mean, of things that they are not used to. Something that is not common or in their face like every day. It's not in their household or so. So they're feeling terrible and dreadful, against your strength. I don't know. I hope I didn't get locked out. You all, please stop, please stop twisting your hair super tight. Hey, Isis. Good morning. I mean, good afternoon. You scare me. Don't lock me out. Okay, she got me off. What was I talking about? Oh, please stop twisting your hair really tight and showing your scalp. Because I'm concerned that pretty soon you won't have any hair. I mean, it'll be going back. Your edges will be gone, and it'll start looking like, honestly, Stevie Wonder. Look how long he's had his hair braided. And basically, that's what it'll look like when you have locks and you sit in a chair and you get it twisted real tight every 4 weeks or so. Some people do it faster. If it wasn't for the term dreadlocks, locks wouldn't be what they are today. I don't think. Yeah, I was talking about like freeform locks. It's not a business. You don't have to go to a salon to have natural hair. And people that have been wearing dreadlocks forever, it was like there were no salons. There was no products and stuff to put in your hair. They use natural things. But that's pretty much why I say Nazi dreadlocks. I love the term Nazi dreadlocks. I love warriors. I love everything that is about growth and fighting for your rights and stuff. I'm definitely about that. You know, I'm not going to change. So anybody that's watching this video, I mean, you could say it a million times, I'm still going to respect people who consider their hair just locks, as well as people that's here that believe in saying natties or natty dreadlocks. You know, again, like I said, you all have bounced to some of the best music out here, and they're singing, you know, guess who's coming to dinner? Natty dreadlocks. Yeah, and y'all just like all in the club or all at home. Yeah, but then you say, don't call your hair dreads. So, I mean, there's a lot more history. It's just that I don't want to get deep into it. I just really wanted to talk about why I did what was told to me that made me say, yeah, I have never called my hair locks. Watch my very first video. Watch my very first video. Go to my playlist and watch. Go down every video. In every video, you'll see dreadlocks or dreads. That's it. So I hope that you all understand, you know, that I respect people who call their hair locks. Please respect the fact that I call my hair dreadlocks. You comment down below. If you just, you know, can't deal with the dreadlock part, comment down below. I mean, I am not by any means, you know, knocking what anybody else say or do. So, I mean, I just really want to see what you have to say as far as calling your hair locks or natty dreadlocks, or what other information do you have? I know it's a whole bunch of people on here that have the information that I do have that I don't feel like doing like a 30-45 minute video. I just want to go back a little bit, you know, and touch on some things. But yeah, comment down below if you have even more information. If this is stuff that you like to hear about, you know, thumbs up the video. Somebody had asked me to do this a long time ago, and I just, you know, forgot to do it until somebody the other day told me, oh, just stop calling your hair, you know, you're putting out negative energy. Y'all know every video I'm like, this is a negative free zone. You know, every Sunday chat, this is a negative free zone. I'm going to make a t-shirt out of it. Seriously. You all will see it probably in a couple days. Or maybe today. Who knows? It's pouring down rain and I don't have anything else to do. But that's it. If you have any questions for me, please, by all means, you know, send me questions. If you'd rather email me, check my description box. Check out my Instagram page. Check out to see a lot of pictures of how long my hair actually is. I'm trying to say, I might be able to show you a little bit. Okay. Okay. So, thumbs up if you like seeing how long my hair is if you haven't seen it before. But I have a lot of pictures on Instagram. I have a Facebook page. We can talk on Messenger. You know, I'm usually pretty free. Oh, I got my phone with me. Okay. All right. Thank you all for watching this video. Know that I love you all. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Please continue to support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.